up guys? So have you ever tried using baking soda plus orange, like the natural normal orange we drink, mixing these two wonderful ingredients and applying it to your face? Have you ever tried that? Now note that it is natural, it is very friendly to the skin and to the face, and it's just gonna do a whole lot. Okay, so if you want to know what it all entails, do continue watching, because I have more ingredients that I'm going to be adding to it to be more effective and to give you that wonderful glowing and youthful skin. Oh yeah, youthful skin, I said that. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, then continue watching, and don't forget to please hit on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and tap the bell. Alright, let's dive into the video. Baking soda is a mild exfoliating property which makes it a wonderful ingredient to help banish acne, pimples, and skin irritation. Baking soda helps clear bacteria, and it contains antibacterial property that prevents further breakout from the skin. It leaves your skin looking really smooth. And then we're going to be needing orange. Now orange is loaded with vitamin C and amino acids. Now this helps to leave the skin looking toned, brighter, and even clear. Orange have a high content of citric acid, which aids in skin exfoliation and helps to dry out acne, improving the overall look of your skin. Orange peel has a higher content of vitamin C than the orange itself. So using orange with baking soda would evenly help to glow your dull skin. Now we're gonna be needing aloe vera. Now here I have a natural aloe vera plant. If you don't have the plant, guys, you can actually use the processed aloe vera, or anyone you use, it has to be organic so it could work. Okay, aloe vera is loaded with nutrients, provide a protective barrier that helps to keep moisture locked into your skin. And also we're gonna be needing the almighty wonderful coconut oil. Now coconut oil is a vast remedy that works for the hair, for the skin, for the body. It hydrates the skin. Coconut oil helps to improve skin elasticity and collagen production. Coconut oil is known for its anti-aging property. Coconut oil has antioxidants such as vitamin E and vitamin A, which helps to slow down the aging process, and it may also reduces damaging. So to do that, I'm going to be taking 1 full tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda. Now you can take less or more, it depending on if you want to store the mix or if you just want to use it at a go, just like I'm using. Okay, that's why I'm using in a low quantity. Now to make this treatment brightens the skin, we're going to be squeezing in some few drops of orange. Now orange is very good, just like I've earlier told you guys, all of the full benefits. And now I'm going to be squeezing in about 1 tablespoon of that into this mix, and this is how it's going to look like. Okay guys, now since I have just a little small of this aloe vera, I'm going to be removing the peel, extracting the gel, just the gel. Alright guys, so now I would have to be blending it. Now when blending aloe vera, you don't have to mix anything. Don't mix water because aloe vera is a water-based ingredient. And this is how it looks like. Now let me just show you guys the aloe vera. Let me turn it into another bowl. And here it is. So I'm going to be taking 2 tablespoons of that, just everything I have anyways. And when you blend aloe vera, it actually cuts the sliminess. And now I pour in just some drops of coconut oil, and then we stir. Now this is going to be a very wonderful remedy that would remove all problems on your skin. If you're having any problem, guys, this is actually going to help you to remove them. So you stir and stir very well so that the baking soda can mix very well with the aloe vera, and so as it will cut the sliminess, and it will be very friendly when you want to use it on your skin. Hi guys, so here is the orange. It smells orange. Like, I like the smell because I'm so allergic to so many smell right now, if you can understand, like if you can relate. Anyway, but I like the smell of orange because I take it like almost every day. Not every day anyways. So baking soda and orange, aloe vera and coconut oil. Now you dab it, you refrigerate it, you apply it on your skin, just like that. Okay, so I applied it and it is actually really soft, and it goes well with my skin anyways. Like, all right, so what you do is that when you apply this, now because of the baking soda in it, you don't have to wait for so long, but nonetheless, if you have a very thick skin, you can wait for 5 minutes. But if you have a sensitive skin, you should wait for only 2 minutes after you apply this, okay? Because it works like almost immediately, not immediately anyways, but of course you have to like be consistent. You can use this treatment like 4 times or 3 times in a week. Now if you're having a sensitive skin, 2 times in a week is going to be okay, because when you've applied it and then you want to wash it, what you're going to notice is that after you've washed it, your face is going to be like really soft, like that of a baby skin. Like, trust me, okay? That's what is going to happen. And after that, then if you have a thick skin, because I know there are some people who have a very stubborn skin, you can apply it 4 times in a week, and you put more of the baking soda so that to soften that thick skin, you know. Anyways, so you hold it for 5 minutes if you have a thick skin, you hold it for 2 minutes if you have a sensitive skin, and that's how it goes. Now you can also use the warm water, mild water, or cold water, like not cold water from the fridge, but normal temperature water, yeah, to wash this off. And then you go soak with a mild soap, with a toilet soap, and with a very mild cream. And the sky is the limit to your skin, because all what we need is something that will be suitable for you. So you can try this out. If it works for you, fine. If it does not, I have so many ingredients and remedies that I'm going to be uploading that I've already. So that's how it is, guys. I've actually this is the most simplest of the treatments I use, because I just mix them and then I just use them, especially in this time where, you know, sometimes my skin color tend to change, you know, because of some certain things, you know. Anyways, so I tend to use that a whole lot when the smell is friendly for me. I tend to use that, and it works really nice. It makes my skin very smooth and it helps my skin a whole lot. Okay, so that's it guys, go try this out because I know you're not going to regret doing that. Okay, just like I earlier said in the video, you also have to follow the instruction that I've given you, so you don't come back and tell me some other thing. Yo, alright, so if you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, share the video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay flawless.